If you're facing issues with your Whirlpool washer filter, you're likely dealing with problems like poor drainage, bad odors, or even error codes. Fortunately, addressing this issue is usually simple and can restore your washer to its full efficiency. Let's go over the steps you can take to locate, clean, and maintain your Whirlpool washer filter, as well as some tips to keep everything running smoothly. A clogged Whirlpool washer filter is one of the most common culprits behind poor drainage or slow water flow. This filter is designed to catch lint, debris, and small objects from your laundry, preventing them from clogging the washer's drainage system. Over time, however, it can become blocked, affecting your washer's performance. To access it, start by locating the filter compartment, typically found at the front base of the machine. You may need a shallow container or towels to catch any water that might come out. When you open it, turn off the washer, gently open the filter cover, and unscrew the filter to pull it out. Once you've removed the Whirlpool washer filter, inspect it for any lint, coins, hairpins, or small items that might have gotten trapped. Rinse the filter under warm water, using a soft brush if necessary, to remove any stubborn residue. Make sure all visible debris is cleared, as a clean filter allows water to drain properly, improving your washer's efficiency and extending its lifespan. After cleaning, reinsert the filter securely and close the cover. Restart the washer to test if the drainage and performance issues have been resolved. If your Whirlpool washer filter was indeed clogged, you should notice immediate improvements. Regularly checking and cleaning the filter every few months can prevent future problems, saving you from potential repair costs and keeping your laundry routine smooth. Routine maintenance is essential for keeping your washer running like new. Always double-check pockets before loading laundry to prevent small items from clogging the filter. Avoid overloading the washer, as this can lead to excessive lint buildup and increase the workload on the filter. With these simple steps, you can keep your Whirlpool washer filter in top condition, ensuring your washing machine remains reliable for years to come.